How's it going today? My name is Brock Thompson with Onyx Realty, and
I'm John Castiglione, member of the team.
And AKellam, Southern Trust Mortgage.
All right, today we're just going to kind of bring in Alex. He's going to tell us a few items or new programs that are out there right now that we feel like you could really take advantage of and use to promote in this crazy market what's going on and be an advantage to us. So Alex, if you can tell us a little bit about it.
Yeah, so right now we have a great grant program that's available for not just first-time home buyers, but also community partners. So that's going to be your firefighters, police officers, teachers, anyone in the medical field. You get up to $15,000 to use towards down payment and or closing costs. You can also pair these with Virginia housing grants. So there's a ton of money on the table that you can use right now and apply towards your mortgage payment.
So I know we say the money's out there, just like any other grant. It's kind of limited on how long. We don't know exactly how long it'll last, correct?
Yeah, usually it lasts about 2 months, but this time we have about $750,000 to use at about $15,000 a pop, so it can go pretty quick. But yeah, we expected to have it for the next couple months.
Okay, so I mean, as a former teacher, I think this is an awesome grant, awesome product to try to help out there. I know a lot of other teachers out there have been waiting to kind of jump back into the market, so definitely want to get that out to them. And kind of, do you have questions?
Yeah, so the $15,000, what can they use that towards? Can it be used towards like down payment assistance? Can it be applied towards closing costs? Like, are there any limitations to it?
Really, I mean, you want to use the grant towards standard closing costs. So that's going to include buying down your rate, appraisal fee, and things like that. You can also use anything left over towards down payment, or you can use all of it towards your down payment. Okay. It's kind of a combination, and however we really want to work the scenario to your benefit. And again, you can pair it with other grants. So, I mean, you can use the Virginia Housing Down Payment Assistance Grant. For a conventional loan, you get up to 2%. And then plus you get on top of that, if you're a teacher, for instance, you get $15,000. And you don't have to be a first-time home buyer for that FHLB $15,000 grant.
Yeah, and I think that's another incredible part, because so often it has been just the first-time home buyer. Yeah. Now it opens and expands a little bit larger in there. So we're going to talk about one more thing before we get out of here for you. Is we're right in tax season, so everybody's getting in there, starting to do their taxes, figuring out what's going on. And I know for a 1099 like ourselves, sometimes that gets tricky on thinking about what we're trying to do if we're trying to buy a house in the near future. So there's some programs coming out. Can you expand a little bit on and kind of tell us what's going on there?
Yeah, so we've always kind of had a what's called a bank statement loan, where we use assets to help you qualify for a mortgage. You usually run into these kind of scenarios if you weren't able to get income derived off your tax returns, because it happens if you're newly to the business and you only have been in business for a little over a year. You can't use your income. So there's other alternatives to that. We can use your bank statements, we can use your 1099s and things like that to help you qualify for the house you want. These are going to be a lot of times for high net worth individuals. We can do loan amounts up to $2 million. And there's some other flexible benefits there that we did not have before. So a great way and a great time to really check it out and see if you qualify where you didn't previously qualify with another lender.
Okay.
And so for that program, is that like a 30-year fixed rate, like an FHA or conventional loan?
Yeah, it is a 30-year fixed.
Okay.
So,
awesome.
yeah. You don't usually get that with those kind of programs. So it's definitely a new thing out there.
Okay. Well, you heard it right here. So like I said, any questions, you can reach us. We'll have our information below. So if there's anything that you need, we'll also have the flyers down there. We'll try to attach a PDF for them. But again, this is Brock Thompson with Onyx Realty.
John Castiglione.
AKellam, Southern Trust. Thanks a lot, guys.
All right. Have a good one.